Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home, right? Please don't go outside unnecessarily, okay? Stay home, stay safe. Okay, now let's get inside the topic. So, in this current situation, a daily wear is added to our life. Do you have any guesses? Yes, exactly. It is a face mask. So today we are going to see a tutorial video on how to prepare a face mask without a sewing machine. So this video will be really useful for you. So before entering into the video, I just wanted to share some information on why do we wear a mask and how to handle it properly. So if you want to directly go to the content, skip to this minute so you can directly go to the content and see how to wear a mask. But if you listen, it'll be really useful for you. So now let's see. First, let's see why do we wear a mask. Wearing a mask helps you prevent from contracting any airborne infectious diseases. Now, let's see how to handle a mask properly. So, handling a mask isn't very big job. It's just like your hands has to be hygienic. So, for your hands has to be hygienic. At least first, before touching a mask, you have to sanitize your hand or wash it with soap or hand wash. So now let's get inside the video. mask is ready to use. It's really easy to make this mask. Please do try it at your home and comment your valuable comments in the comment box. Bye.